Chemistry. Today we start standard hydrogen electrode, that is SHE. SHE. Standard hydrogen electrode. Construction of standard hydrogen electrode. Here platinized platinum plate is fixed in glass tube. Here for electrical contact we use the copper wire, and glass tube is filled with mercury, and then platinized platinum wire is fixed in it. Here for electrical contact we use the copper wire. The glass tube is fixed in glass jacket. Here pure and dry hydrogen gas at 1 atm pressure is bubbled through the side arm of glass jacket. Here hydrogen gas at 1 atm pressure here bubbled through the solution at the perforated holes. Here excess gas, hydrogen gas, comes out and dissolve in the solution. Here H plus ions means H2 gas converted into H plus ion. H plus ions undergo reduction. Here working of standard hydrogen electrode. Twice H plus ion at 1 molar concentration plus 2 electrons, that is the reduction. Addition of electrons is nothing but reduction. Formation of H2 gas 1 atm. Here electrode reaction is reduction reaction. Reduction. Addition of electron or gain of electron by twice H plus ions to form H2 gas at 1 atm. Here is electrode representation or electrode formulation is H plus ion 1 molar single vertical line, H2 gas 1 atm pressure. Here electrode potential, standard electrode potential of SHE is E standard H2 is equal to 0.000 volt. Then definition of SHE: platinized platinum electrode immersed in 1 molar H plus ion solution. H2 gas is bubbled at 1 atm pressure and 25 degrees Celsius temperature is called SHE, standard hydrogen electrode, because the hydrogen electrode is operated at the standard condition. Standard condition means standard concentration 1 molar, standard temperature that is 25 degrees Celsius, and standard pressure 1 atmospheric pressure. Then applications of SHE. SHE is used used as a primary reference electrode to determine the standard potential of electrode. This here to determine the standard potential of zinc electrode or any electrode. Here if we coupled zinc half cell with hydrogen, then the electrode potential from the cell potential E standard cell is equal to E standard H2 minus E standard Zn is equal to minus E standard Zn becomes H standard H2 is 0, because standard potential of hydrogen electrode, that is SHE, is 0 potential, means we get directly the potential of zinc electrode, and thus measured EMF of the cell is nothing but standard potential of zinc electrode. Then difficulties in setting of SHE. First difficulty is pure and dry hydrogen gas. Pure and dry hydrogen gas. To obtain the pure and dry hydrogen gas is very difficult. Then second difficulty, to maintain the 1 molar concentration of H plus ion during the bubbling of H2 gas. These difficulties are operated during the working of hydrogen electrode. Then hydrogen gas electrode, that is for hydrogen gas electrode representation, H plus AQ single vertical line, H2 at 1 atm pressure single vertical line, PT H plus, and pressure of hydrogen gas differ from unity. Here electrode, that is twice H plus AQ plus 2 electrons, that is the reduction takes place to form H2 gas. Then Nernst equation for hydrogen electrode is EH2 is equal to E standard H2 minus 0.0592 divided by N. N is nothing but moles of electron. Here number of moles of electron is 2 moles. Here 2 electrons are used in the reduction reaction. Therefore here 2 value. Then log pressure of H2 divided by concentration of H plus ion. Then here H2 standard potential is 0. Hydrogen electrode हा हायड्रोजन सिंपल इलेक्ट्रोड आहे की ज्यामध्ये H2 गॅस हा H प्लस आयन मधून 1 atm प्रेशरला बबल केला जातो. आणि याच्यातली जी मुख्य डिफिकल्टी आहे ती हायड्रोजन गॅस प्युअर आणि ड्राय असला पाहिजे. प्युअर आणि ड्राय हायड्रोजन गॅस मेंटेन करणं हे डिफिकल्ट आहे. आणि हायड्रोजन गॅस बबल होत असताना H प्लस आयनचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन 1 मोलर मेंटेन करणं हे डिफिकल्ट आहे. हायड्रोजन गॅसचं पोटेन्शियल इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेन्शियल 0 असल्यामुळं E standard H2 is equal to 0 volt. Therefore, we can couple with any electrode whose potential is unknown. For example, we couple here zinc electrode and we get the direct reading of zinc electrode potential. That is the EMF of zinc electrode. Means we can find the any electrode potential by coupling with the standard hydrogen electrode. Therefore, standard hydrogen electrode is used as a primary reference electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode मध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉनचं ऍडिशन होतं, म्हणजेच रिडक्शन रिॲक्शन होते. H प्लस आयनची रिडक्शन रिॲक्शन होऊन आपणाला H2 गॅस हा प्रोडक्ट मिळतो. आणि H2 गॅसचं प्रेशर 1 atm आणि H प्लस आयनचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हे 1 मोलर आहे. स्टँडर्ड हायड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड मध्ये सर्व कंडिशन्स स्टँडर्ड वापरलेले असतात. म्हणजे स्टँडर्ड टेम्परेचर 25 डिग्री सेल्सिअस, स्टँडर्ड कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन 1 molar concentration, and standard pressure 1 atm pressure. Therefore, in hydrogen gas electrode we use the standard concentration, standard pressure and standard temperature. Therefore, we call it standard hydrogen electrode. That is the SHE. This is a photo card. दाखव कसं जाणं मला. पुढच्या बसा. Battery is also called as lead accumulator. Here anode negative electrode and cathode positive electrode. Here all PB plates is alternate with cathode PB plate with PbO2. Means both are PB plates, anode and cathode having both are PB plates. Here in anode only PB plates, in cathode PB plates are coated with PbO2. Means here PB plated with PbO2 acts as a cathode, that is the positive electrode, and negative electrode is only lead plate or PB. Means here all PB plates are connected to negative terminal, we call it anode, and all PbO2 plates are connected at positive terminal called cathode. Means here both the positive terminal plates and cathodic PbO2 plates are dipped in H2SO4 solution, that is 38% H2SO4 solution acts as an electrolytic solution. Here electrolytic solution H2O2 H2SO4 is 38%, and here working of lead storage cell, oxidation takes place at the anode and reduction takes place at the cathode. Means here at anode, that is the negative electrode, anodic oxidation takes place, and at positive electrode cathodic reduction takes place. Here PB solid plus SO4 2 minus AQ gives PbSO4 plus 2 electrons. Means here loss of 2 electrons or donation of 2 electrons indicate oxidation takes place at the anode. Means here oxidation number of PB solid is 0, and here oxidation number of PB in PbSO4 AQ is plus 2. Means here oxidation number increases from 0 to plus 2, means loss of 2 electron. Means oxidation number increases indicate oxidation reaction takes place. Then at cathodic reduction, here PbO2 solid plus 4H plus aqueous comes from H2SO4 solution. Here SO4 2 minus ion also comes from H2SO4 solution, and here 2 electrons loss, here 2 electrons gain. Then the product obtained is PbSO4 solid plus twice H2O. Here PbSO4 and PbSO4 in both the reaction, oxidation reaction as well as reduction reaction, same product is obtained. Here also PbSO4 form, here also PbSO4 form. Means twice the PbSO4, net product is twice the PbSO4. Here Pb solid means 0 oxidation state, Pb is converted into plus 2 oxidation number, and here PbO2 is converted into PbSO4. Means here formation of PbSO4, here plus 4 oxidation state in PbO2 is converted into plus 2 oxidation number. Means oxidation number decreases from plus 4 to plus 2, therefore reduction takes place by gain of 2 electron, and here net reaction that is the addition of oxidation and reduction reaction, we get the overall reaction or net reaction, called it redox reaction. Means here 2 electron get cancelled, here loss of 2 electron, here 2 electron gain get cancelled, then Pb solid plus PbO2 solid plus 4H plus ions and twice SO4. Here one SO4 ion and second SO4 ion. Therefore twice SO4 2 minus ion gives product PbSO4 and PbSO4. Twice PbSO4 solid plus twice water. Then here cell reaction during the discharge of lead accumulator or during the discharge of battery, the net reaction takes place, that is the redoxation reaction, is Pb solid plus PbO2 solid plus 4H plus ion plus twice SO4 2 minus ions gives twice PbSO4 solid plus twice water liquid. Then reverse reaction takes place if the cell reaction during recharging. Means we recharge the battery, then the net reaction obtained is twice PbSO4 solid plus twice H2O liquid gives Pb solid plus PbO2 solid plus twice H2SO4. Means the reaction is reverse reaction that of the discharge reaction. Means here forward reaction is discharge reaction and reverse reaction is charging of the reaction. Means here we can use means application of lead accumulator or lead storage battery. Lead storage battery is used as a source of direct current in laboratory. Means here supply of DC, that is the direct current in the laboratory, we use the battery. Then second use 12 volt battery constructed by connecting 6 2V cell in the series used in automobiles and inverters. Means in inverter and in automobile batteries, 4-wheeler batteries are here 12 volt batteries constructed by the connecting of 6 2 volt cell in the series and used in automobiles and inverters. These are the applications of lead storage battery or lead accumulator. Means here S2SO4 38% S2SO4 हा इलेक्ट्रोलाइट म्हणून वापरला जातो आणि लेड प्लेट्स हे एनोड आहे आणि PbO2 हे कॅथोड आहे. PbO2 चं कॅथोडिक रिडक्शन होतं आणि Pb चं ऑक्सिडेशन होतं. Pb ची ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट 0 पासून +2 पर्यंत वाढते. Means increase in oxidation number indicate anodic oxidation, and here decrease in oxidation number from +2 to +4 to +2, that is the decreases by 2 unit, here increases by 2 unit, here loss of 2 electron, gain of 2 electron get cancelled, and the net reaction here Pb solid plus PbO2 solid plus here S2SO4 gives twice PbSO4 plus water. This is the discharge reaction, and the reverse reaction is the charging reaction. मराठीत सांगू का आता? फोटो काढून घे.